Midjourney, the AI art generator of 2025. Imagine your thoughts becoming reality with just a few words. Welcome to Midjourney, the AI art generator transforming creativity. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generator. It creates stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Think of it as a visual ChatGPT. Instead of answering questions, it paints your imagination. From fantasy characters to architectural renders, Midjourney V6 is a digital creativity powerhouse. It turns text into art, revolutionizing how we create online. Using Midjourney is simple. Type/imagine followed by your prompt. Within seconds, the AI delivers stunning results. It's hosted on Discord, making collaboration easy. Share prompts and ideas with a community. Midjourney's cinematic style and painterly aesthetic set it apart. It's a social, community-driven tool for creators. Midjourney offers ultra-realistic lighting and advanced prompt control. Use modifiers for multiple aspect ratios and styles. Upscale, create variations, or remix images. These features make it ideal for marketers, educators, and brand storytellers. Midjourney is the go-to tool for creative professionals. Professionals use Midjourney in various ways. Educators create vivid learning visuals and historical scenes. Designers generate logo drafts and concept art. Marketers use it for ad creatives and branding kits. Authors design book covers and illustrated content. Midjourney redefines creativity across industries. Join the Midjourney Discord server. Subscribe to a plan, Basic, Standard, or Pro. Use the /imagine prompt to start creating. Explore and remix other people's prompts. Upscale, adjust aspect ratios, or create new variations. The Midjourney community offers daily tips and inspiration. Pricing starts at $10 per month for casual users. Standard and Pro plans range from $30 to $60 per month. These plans offer faster render times and commercial usage rights. All tiers provide unlimited Discord access and community support. Choose a plan that fits your creative needs. Midjourney offers stunning image quality and creative control. It has fast rendering and a thriving community. It's great for branding, content, and e-learning. However, it lacks a native mobile or web interface. Learning prompt crafting takes time. No built-in editing, but integrates with tools like Canva. Midjourney is more than an AI toy. It's a creative powerhouse for creators, marketers, and educators. It offers visual brainstorming, branding inspiration, and design assistance. Ready to turn imagination into impact? Check the description to try Midjourney. Start your visual revolution today.